Have you ever wondered why politicians pass massive bills, thousands of pages long, without even reading them? Why are unrelated things like farm subsidies and border walls in the same bill? What if I told you the way we vote on bills might be one of the biggest problems in government today? Stick around, because we're going to talk about how one simple fix, voting on one issue at a time, could make government more transparent, more accountable, and way more trustworthy. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for no frills facts and real talk. Let's talk about bundled bills, or what they often call omnibus legislation. Here's how it usually works. Congress takes dozens or even hundreds of unrelated proposals, defense spending, education reform, aid to foreign countries, and maybe even renaming a post office, and shoves them into a single must-pass bill. The result? Lawmakers vote yes to avoid a government shutdown, even if they hate half of what's inside. Lobbyists sneak in favors that no one notices until it's too late. The public, we're left in the dark, again. Imagine if your grocery store did this. You want bread, but they force you to buy a whole cart with cookies, frozen fish, and batteries, just to check out. You'd call that robbery, not policy. Now picture this. Every bill Congress votes on covers just one issue. That's it. Want to fund clean water projects? Great, vote on that. Want to approve military aid? Separate bill, separate debate, separate vote. That means every policy gets the attention it deserves. Lawmakers can't hide controversial stuff in the fine print, and voters, you and me, can finally hold them accountable. So if it's such a good idea, why hasn't it happened? One word: power. Leadership in both parties use bundled bills to push through unpopular agendas. They say it saves time, but what it really does is give them leverage. Vote for this bill, or everything crashes. Yes, single-issue voting would take more time, but wouldn't that be time well spent if it meant real debate and real democracy? Right now, laws are written in back rooms, voted on at 2 a.m., and packed with pork no one ever asked for. It's no wonder people are angry, confused, or checked out entirely. So, is it time for a total government restructuring? Maybe not a revolution, but definitely a reset. And it starts with one rule, one bill, one vote, one issue at a time. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Would this kind of reform help, or would it just slow things down even more? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more no-frills videos that dig into the system shaping your life. No spin, no nonsense, just the facts.